Seminar. Finally, we get together after the pandemic.
Thank you and welcome to our Atomy Canada Toronto seminar.
Looking at those people here today, it really, you can tell that Atomy is a company that gives you amazing balanced life. Oh my goodness. Atomy Canada, please come back to Toronto again and let's do it more, please.
During this one-day seminar, after like 2 years and a half, so it was like crazy, like on an offline course, but this time, being on the first time again offline and meeting all these lovely Atomians face to face is amazing. I guess this is a lovely thing to go all the way together, journey with our partners, consumers, and all our contractor here in Toronto. So thank you so much. I'm so happy to be part of this meeting after all these 2 years and a half.
Everyone was so excited about like every part of the seminars. I really feel the united spirit and also how we want to have more in the future.
네, 2년 반 만에 우리 원데이 세미나를 해서요. 저희 모두가 얼마나 익사이팅하게 기다렸는지 몰라요. 정말 오늘 너무 그 법인에서 준비 너무 많이 해주시고 정말 너무나 멋있는 원데이 세미나를 했네요. 우리 다 같이 마음들이 벅찼어요. 이제 또 새로운 시작이다. 그렇게 생각을 하면서 법인에게 너무 감사하고요. 또 우리 자리가 없어서 막 표 때문에 난리를 칠 정도로 모든 사람들이 그렇게 다 열심히 여기에 참석하고 싶어 했어요. 하여튼 오늘 너무 감사합니다. 너무 멋진 원데이 세미나였어요.
First of all, congratulations for your offline seminar because we know it's been a long time that we were locked up, but that gives you a reaction, right? We've been locked up so long time. Now it's a new beginning. I know you guys will rock, and Atomy Canada will soar to the sky. So congratulations for your future success. Thank you very much for giving me opportunity.